All right, hood update here on the 20th. I haven't done this one in a long time. So when you look at this, you would think that this would be the start of the move up. But the way that this starts, if this were the actual start of it, this would make this some kind of huge, bigger move than I think it is. And so I think that what you call this is a truncated wave 5 here. I think that this was the bottom right here, where we can start a new count up. Because that goes along with all the rest of the stocks that I'm going over, their counts as well. So we're starting right here in November of 23. We get 5 waves up here. We had the August crash. That was wave 2. And wave 3 here, you can see it breaks the parallel line here. I think that this is likely. Let's see where the 1.61 fib is of this. Likely in a wave 5 of the overall third wave as well. You can see here the 1.61 fib. We basically hit it right there. 47 bucks was the 1.61 fib. So I think it's in the final stages of wave 3 as well, similar to SoFi. If you watch the SoFi video, same type of move here. I also think that there is a chance that this was actually a truncated move as well because of the way it works out. If I start the count from down here, starting it from here actually makes more sense. And so we have 1, 2. This is potentially, though, a nested 1, 2. I've been playing around with this a little bit. And then you get wave 3 probably right here. And then you get a short wave 4. And then wave 5 right here. So this would be wave 3 right here, wave 4, and then we start wave 5 from December 20th. A little bit different than SoFi. So if we start it from right here, then let's just see where it could end. Let's see the length of this and just put it up there and get an idea. Well, that's going to say it's short. So I think this is likely in a... This is probably the wave 3 of the final move up. So some kind of diagonal or something like that. Third wave right here. Pullback and maybe a 5th wave higher up here to complete overall wave 3. But I wouldn't... I would be getting ready for wave 4 here. We've already hit the 1.61 fib. So it can pull back at pretty much any time. I would say you probably have a little bit more because earnings are on February 12th. So I don't think it's going to pull back anytime soon. But you might get like a little bit of a small pullback for a 4th wave before earnings. You probably have a little bit more upside on this stock. But let's say it goes to 55 bucks. This pulled back to the 0.5 fib. I'd probably be looking for a pullback to 40 bucks after that. So 55 down to 40 bucks. And then from there, I'd be looking for one more move higher after that. If it goes to 40 bucks, you could be looking at 100 bucks. Maybe higher. This is probably going to say a lot higher than 100 bucks, but let's find out. Whoops. This is saying 123 bucks if you just take the length of wave 1. So I do think that hood has a lot more upside. That is basically 100% from here, more than that. But anyway, overall, you're in wave 3. No need to sell. Same thing as SoFi. Is it possible that this is an ABC move? I don't think so. You've crossed the parallel line. It's pretty clear that it's an impulse. If this was not a truncated move, I would label it like this. Whoops. I label it 1, 2. And then this would just be the third wave of the third wave. And I've said that on SoFi too, but I don't think that that's the case. I think SoFi is in a wave 3, not in a third wave of a third wave. So for the same reason, I think that this is in a third wave. So I would be looking for a little bit more upside, potentially into earnings, maybe 50 to 55 bucks. But I do think you're in a wave 5 of this wave 3. So wave 3 is going to end here soon. And it's above the 1.61 fib, and then you're looking for a wave 4 after that. And who knows, maybe the wave 4 will be dramatic like the August sell-off. Or it could just be chopping sideways. But after that, you should see one more move up. I would say minimum 100 bucks. So that's my thoughts on Hood. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe for more updates, and I will catch you in the next video.